Hello, friends. Earlier this week when we did counting collections, we worked on making sets of 10. And I realized that the number 10 is a really special number. I see it all around me. We have 10 fingers, we have 10 toes. I noticed as well that when we look at the numerals, once we get to the numeral 10, it really changes from the numerals before it, having two numerals coming together to make a number. All of a sudden, the tens place exists. So that number 10 is really important. And you know what I realized? That to be really good mathematicians, we need to be really comfortable with knowing how to get to 10 from any given number. So that's what we're going to practice today. We're going to play a game where I show you a quantity and we figure out how many more we need to make 10. So let's do it, okay? Start with this one. I'll turn it this way, actually. Start with this one. What quantity do you see? Your brain might know right away, or you might need to count it. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know that this is a quantity of 4. The question is, how many more do we need to make 10? And I'm going to use the counting on strategy to figure that out. And what that means is, what's 1 more than 4? And that's where I'm going to start. What is 1 more than 4? That's right, it's 5. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, to figure out how many more I needed to make 10, I can just count the quantity that it took. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Now I know that 4 and 6 are the same as 10. And if I wanted to challenge myself, I could show that using a number bond. I know that the whole, 4 and 6 together, is 10. And I know that the parts it took to make that were 4 and 6. Great. Let's do another one. Here's the next one. Now, your brain might know right away what quantity we have, or again, you might need to count it. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? That's right, we have 7. How many more do we need to make 10? Let's use the counting on strategy again. What's 1 more than 7? That's right, 8, 9, 10. Now I know we have 10, and I can figure out this quantity without counting. It's 3. So I know that if I have 7, I need 3 more to make 10. I can show that with a number sentence if I want. 3 and 7 is 10. Great. Now it's your turn. So, I'm going to show you my paper. And I want you to get a paper and a writing tool and to make your paper look just like this, with one line down the middle, so you have space for 2 exercises. Then you can make the quantity like this on one side and the quantity like this on the other. And your job today is to figure out, if I have this many, how many more do I need to make 10? And show that with a drawing, and if you want to challenge yourself, a number bond or a number sentence. And then again, if I have this many, how many more do I need to make 10? And then again, if you want to challenge yourself, you could show it with a number bond or a number sentence. Now, remember, when we know how to get to 10 from any number, it will make us a better mathematician. So get your paper, get your writing tool, make a worksheet that looks like this, and figure it out. Can't wait to see what your math brains learn.